Well, we made it out here on the beach, the shoreline. We're probably about 2-3 miles sort of to the northwest of the missile range, and you can see the island, the ruined Manitou in the background here. So what we're doing, we're just sort of looking along the shoreline here, looking at all this rock, and we're seeing a lot of seam agate in the seams here. I'll get close here. You kind of see the seam agate, and found some pretty cool finds so far. This is actually a great stone. It's got a great big seam agate running through it. So there's that one. Kind of a big quartzy agate here. So, and then this one here. So, pretty fun so far. We're gonna keep messing around, fall around the water, and see what we can find. Just taking a walk out here in the water. You can see, like, all of these spots where the agates used to be. And believe it or not, it's a pretty calm day out here today. So I'm able to look a lot closer into the water here and kind of see what there is. Okay guys, finally made it to a place where there's no footprints anywhere, so takes a while to get here. Basically walking around and kind of looking in the water, and what I've got a bucket with a fiberglass or a glass viewing in the bottom. So it works pretty cool. Basically, if I can keep it steady enough, you get a good view of the rocks using this bucket. I don't get a big wave that comes by. So it's kind of a neat way to look for rocks, you know, just using this bucket. But it's really neat to be on a beach where there's absolutely no footprints, no trash, nothing. I mean, it's just, I kind of feel like it's the first time anyone's been here. But anyway, just gonna keep looking around, see what I can find.